A few moments later. 3 days later. 3 weeks later.
Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. As checking the before part of the video, do we think we need long videos which consumes a lot of time to learn something? What do you think about this? There is a point which we need to change. If we want to learn something new, a programming language or a new skill or a language to speak out, there is a lot of courses out there in YouTube or some other web-based learning platform, but there is a point to note down. They consume a lot of time, they consume a lot of hours of time. Do we really need to spend a lot of time to learn something? So that's what we are going to discuss in this video. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get updated along with me. So without any delay, let's start the video. Friends, please watch the video till the end, as I am sharing my real life experiences till now in this video. Some of the best ways to learn, some of the smartest ways to learn something new are to be discussed by the end of the video. So when I was in the college, my faculty always tried to teach me theoretical programming. Wait, what is theoretical programming? We never had words like this in programming, but when we go to colleges or some universities, only we hear the words theoretical programming. But the fact is, we never questioned our faculty about this kind of stuff. What is theoretical programming like this? Because we are pretty scared. And then I went to university level. The process never stops. They also teach only theoretical programming, because the fact is we always run for the grades. So that's why they teach us theoretical programming. We always write some theory for a program. Instead of thinking about the logic in that program, we always think for theory and write the theory for a particular program. So what is the use of that if we have to execute some program in some compiler? Instead of writing the program, what is the use of writing a theory for 2-3 pages? So that's where my learning towards some programming language starts from. I really stopped my learning in college. And then I tried to learn some programming languages using YouTube and some web-based platforms. But the problem is they also teach the courses for hours and hours. So I'm pretty scared to give my time to those courses, because we cannot go back into our time which we spent on something. So if we cannot learn something in that particular time, that is completely waste for us. So I'm afraid to waste my time on spending a lot of hours for a particular course. Then I went to one of the American multinational company for an interview. The only concepts I learned in programming was some conditional statements and a single for loop, not a while loop, not a do while loop, only for loop. Honestly speaking, after that interview, I came to know how to learn something, some programming language or some new language or some new skill, whatever it is, how to learn something smartly, the smartest way to learn. I learned from my experiences, so I am going to share what are the smartest ways. So the first point is, we don't need hours and hours of tutorials to learn something new. We just need to split what we need to learn. So I'm repeating again, we just need to split the topics, what we want to learn. One more important point is the smartest point, the smartest technique, the smartest thing of the entire video is the smartest learners of all time. They don't follow any particular order like A, B, C, D. They never follow the procedure, they never follow the order. They always learn in some particular way, like B, then A, then Z, then D, then F, then M. So like this they learn. So what is this? Simply, the concept is they learn some advanced concept before and then they get some doubts from the advanced concept and then they do some research against those doubts and make sure they clarify them. So that's what, for a single concept they get X number of doubts and clarify all the doubts using their own research. This will improve their central idea about that particular topic. So this is the best way to learn anything. If you don't know something to do, then accept the work and then start learning about that work. So then only you will know what do you want to do and what do you want to learn to do that particular task. So this is the best way, these are the best ways to learn. By using this technique, I learned Java advanced level and web development, which is complete web development, both front end and back end, and Selenium with Java. So many more I learned. So hardly I spent only 2 months of time to learn all these concepts. Now I am working as an automation test engineer in Cognizant Technology Solutions, and every day in the week I always do freelancing. Since from the last 2 months after learning these techniques, I generally do freelancing for web development projects, both front-end and back-end projects. Of course, freelancing is my secondary source of income. These are the smartest ways to learn something, a new skill or a new programming language. I am also following these kind of techniques. But some regret is I wish I knew these techniques when I was in the college, as if I know back then, I am able to learn some more knowledge and maybe in the better position as of I am in now. So what's stopping you doing this? Let's go ahead and give it a try. If you like this video, give a hit at the big fat like button and share this video to the needed people who needs these kind of techniques the most. If you have any questions regarding this video, feel free to drop a comment in the comment box and I will definitely reply each and every comment. Thank you all for watching the video. Keep learning.